Absolutely brilliant code Stake 2024 that works on Stake and Stake US. Bling Baller here. In today's video, guys, I show you how to activate exclusive VIP benefits, rake back on your account, and how to get free 25 stake cash plus 250,000 gold coins if you are on Stake US. During the registration process on Stake or Stake US, click on code and enter Stake 2024. Complete registration. For existing accounts registered within the last 24 hours, click on the guy icon, then Settings, Offers, enter code STAKE 2024 in the Welcome Offers section, and click Submit. Now you've successfully activated the exclusive VIP benefits rakeback on your account. Stake US Welcome Bonus Offer, valid for new users only. You need to verify account and email address within 3 days of registering, and you will be sent a coupon in your verified email for 25 stake cash plus 250,000 gold coins. Also, you can claim every single day 1 stake cash and 10,000 gold coins. Just click on the wallet icon, daily bonus, claim daily bonus. I hope this video was useful to you. If so, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you on the next one. Peace.